sitting Chief Minister arguing a case in the Supreme Court, a rare sight. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee takes a fight against the Special Intensive Division and the Election Commission to the Supreme Court. She appeared in person on Wednesday when the matter was taken up by a three-judge bench headed by Chief Justice of India, Surya Kant. After the senior lawyers argued her case, Mamata sought the court's permission to present some arguments herself. Claiming she was appearing before the court as a litigant and a resident of Bengal, Mamata Banerjee told the court that the SIR process is being used only for deletion instead of mapping. She said the Election Commission was using micro-observers, BJP-ruled state, who do not understand Bangla, to delete voters citing logical discrepancy. Mamata claimed the Election Commission had refused to accept Aadhaar cards, domicile certificate and other state identity cards. Citing newspaper reports and photos, Mamata also alleged over 150 deaths of BLOs, particularly those who had died by suicide due to the work pressure. Chief Minister claimed the Election Commission had become WhatsApp Commission, where the decision communicated by micro-observers is accepted for mass deletions. When the Election Commission's lawyer Rakesh Dwivedi claimed non-cooperation by the state government and said micro-observers were required as the state government had not deputed enough SDMs. Mamata claimed her government has provided all available officers. The court issued notice to the Election Commission and asked the Chief Minister to ensure enough officers are deputed to work with the EC.
ERO को सुपरसीड करने के लिए माइक्रो ऑब्जर्वर्स को बिठा के इनके बैकएंड से लॉगिन खुलवाया गया है. इलेक्शन कमीशन आप लोगों को यही कहेगा कि माइक्रो ऑब्जर्वर्स आर ओनली बीइंग अपॉइंटेड टू ऑब्जर्व. इफ द ERO इज agreeing with the micro observers comment or observation, your name is automatically being deleted. I have concrete proof.
The lead lawyer of the EC accused Mamata Banerjee of politicizing the issue.
There is no particular bias against state of West Bengal. Whatever allegations the Honorable Chief Minister had made, those allegations, according to the Election Commission, are completely misconceived, are basically meant for narrative setting in politics. That's what the Election Commission unfortunately has been facing is.
The Supreme Court has now listed the matter for the upcoming Monday, and the Trinamool Congress is now suggesting that she may once again appear on Monday. As of now, the Supreme Court has suggested that if the West Bengal government successfully deputes officers, because they've asked a list of officers from the Trinamool Congress as well, if that is given by the Trinamool Congress and that is accepted in the court, then the requirement of micro-observers can be done away with. This is something that the Trinamool is right now maintaining as a massive success before the court of law. With video journalist Pradeep Gupta and Anisha Mathur, this is Shreya Chatterjee for India Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.